Hi guys, we'll see how to fix connected to idle instance, what reason and what cause, how to identify whether we connected to the right instance and what instances we have in our current system. So let's see how we get this error and how to fix it connected to idle instance. So let's try to connect to your database. We found here connected to idle instance. So this message pops up here. We have connected to idle instance. This could be one of the reason whether instance is not up. So verify from your Unix level. How to verify from Unix level? Using ps-ef pipegrep pmon. You can see only a PTS process, but there is no instance up and running. And how many instances are there on the server? You can verify first from etc aura tab. So we have only one database which we are trying to connect. So ensure that we are connected to the right database using echo command. Verify always. So we have only one instance which is configured with the bash file with the prod SID. So in this case the instance is not up, but there could be any maintenance that made your instance down. Or also verify your uptime of your server. Was it got bounced? Might be your system engineer bounced the system, or some reasons was restarted your machine and your instance went down but not started again. So that could be a reason even. Or any maintenance was happened on the system, or some other DBA is performing some maintenance. It's not that just go and start up your instance. It's not that Unix level you didn't find your instance and you can start it up. Also verify from your alert log. Go to the alert log. So under user 1 app oracle diag rdbms prod trace, under this location we have our alert log. We can read with the tail-100f the last lines. We can read the alert log file. We can see the instance was shut down manually. It was a graceful shutdown. Sometimes a log writer may shut down when log writer may terminate your instance, or a maintenance may board your instance gracefully. It's not that on its own got shut down. You cannot bring the instance immediately when you find instance down. You need to verify, is there any maintenance running? Are they performing someone performing the maintenance on this machine? You can even verify who is there on the system. I can see our own commands, but still if someone else still working on this machine, we can find out the user ID, the user who is working on this machine. Either it is root user or the Oracle user. But as of now only two sessions we found. One is ours, the other one is command PTS process. Such a way we need to trace what reasons, then we can start up. So as of now, to fix our issue, it's found to be shut down and there is no maintenance, or was maintenance happened and forgot to bring up instance, then let's start up. So then let's start up. So whenever you found connected to idle instance, after recheck all the ways, then start up your instance. Now the instance is up and running. Most of the people, developers or DBAs, they used to try the SQL statements running on your SQL prompt when it's been connected to idle instance and saying that I received an error, not connected, the instance is idle. Please check with your database administrators, with your DBAs. Contact your database administrators. They'll verify and will start up. Now the instance is up. You can verify. From VDollar database, we can verify the instance up and running, read write mode. We can also verify from the Unix level, PSFNE pubgrep, pmon or smon. We can see our prod instance is up and running. So this is how to resolve the error. It's not error, it's a message connected to idle instance. Fine guys, we have solved with starting our instance, verifying the log file, verifying the uptime from the Unix box. Thanks guys, done.